Okay, so it's March now, and you probably had a huge rush of traffic and sales in the holiday season for Black Friday and Christmas. But typically your sales are going to slow down in January, February because everyone's getting that credit card bill and going, oh my gosh. So it's March now. So what does that mean for your business, and how can you reinvigorate these past customers that were holiday shoppers for you to become lifelong fans? That's what we're going to be covering in today's video, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Elle McCann, and if this is your first time here on this channel, I post videos every week about Shopify and how to grow your online store. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you typically will see a decrease in sales in the January, February months, and this is both for online stores as well as regular retail stores as well. And it's typically just because people have spent a lot of money for the holidays and they're wanting to kind of recoup some of that cost and not wanting to really spend as much money in January and February. But as soon as it starts coming into spring, you definitely see an increase of sales and traffic to your site again. So I want to talk about in this video how to really maximize that, and there's a couple different ways to do that. So over 60% of holiday shopping is actually done online. But you might be aware that with holiday shopping, there's a lot of competition and a ton of ads everywhere. So if you've already put in the hard work to get the people to your store and to get them to purchase from you, you want to make sure that you're still maximizing that hard work and that effort year round. So my favorite way to do this is to keep people engaged through email marketing. If you don't have this set up yet, I highly recommend setting up a welcome series and a win-back campaign that can take your customers or potential customers through learning more about your brand and engaging with you. So we have a couple different tutorials on that, which I will link in the info cards above and the description below as well. However, another great way to really re-engage those holiday shoppers is going to be with a rewards program. So we've talked about rewards programs many times on this channel, and my absolute favorite is called Smile.io. They are a great rewards program app that integrates really seamlessly with Shopify and makes it super easy to get started. Now, we actually do have a tutorial that walks you through step-by-step how to set up this app for your Shopify store. We're not going to be covering this in this video today. However, if you're interested in that, make sure to check out the info card link above and the description below for that tutorial as well. Having a rewards program is a great way to increase brand loyalty and to get repeat customers on your site. So you really want people to not just purchase from you once, but to continually keep purchasing. And with a rewards program, you can actually incentivize them for each additional purchase. So you can have rewards for them for creating an account on your store, for following you on social media, and then also give them certain points for every dollar that they spend. So in essence, every time they place an order on your site, you're rewarding them with more points that can go to a discount, free shipping, or free products on their next order. So it's a great way to get people to keep continually coming back to your site to try and build those points with you and get the discounts for the next order. Holiday shoppers are typically going to do a guest checkout on your site. So a lot of times they don't create an account because they're just wanting to purchase quickly, and in their mind it's just this one-time purchase for a holiday gift. However, if you do a rewards program, it's a great way to incentivize people to actually create an account on your site. So you could do something like 50 points for them if they create an account on your site for the first time. So as soon as you set up a rewards program like Smile, I definitely recommend sending an email out to all of your past customers and telling them about your rewards program, all the benefits and incentives that they can get, and really prompting them to go create an account on your site so that they can start earning points. Again, you're wanting to get people to continually keep coming back to your site, whether they are looking at more information on your site, like your rewards program information, or actually looking at your products and purchasing. You want to continue this behavior of them opening an email from you and reading it, getting engaged with your brand, and then following through to your site to create some kind of specific action. The closer your potential customer gets to a next reward, the more likely they are to continually keep purchasing from you. So if they see that they're 500 points off from their next reward, that may be a little bit too daunting of a task, and they may not continually keep purchasing because it feels so far off. So I really recommend when you are setting up a rewards program that you have many different levels and incentives for them along the way so that they can continually keep getting that incentive of the next reward is pretty close and it makes sense to purchase from you again. So I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned, because in tomorrow's video we are going to be sharing some tips and strategies of how to make sure that your rewards program is a success. So if you haven't yet, make sure to click the link in the description below and get signed up for a free rewards program with the Smile app, and go ahead and get that started. Start thinking about what rewards you want to offer, as well as how you're going to email and engage your past customers. Comment below if you already have a rewards program, and we would love to hear what rewards you're offering for your customers. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.